feel like curly hair is coming back really strong and really big this year. So I've been looking for something to help me get a curl in someone's hair that it doesn't take forever, you know. I don't want to spend an hour using a curling iron. I want something quicker. So I came across this. Now, I'm not being paid by these people to use it. I just wanted to try it myself. I've never used these before. They've been around for a while. I was thinking I actually thought it would be more like a hot roller, but it's not. It's called a thermal shell. Let me break it down for you. You can pick these up at Best Buy for around $100. It made by a company InStyler. Comes with about 10 clips and a few extra. From what I understand, it's their version of a hot roller. Even as hairdressers, we're always learning. Now, these have been around for a long time. I've just never used them before. So I'm constantly trying to improve myself and better inform my clients. By trying this out, you know, I can tell my clients to get it on. First impressions, I actually really like the look of this. The packaging is awesome, and when you plug it in, there's a blinking green light, which is basically indicating it's heating up. When that light turns solid, they say that's when it's ready to use and they should be hot enough for the hair. They recommend using a thermal spray with this, but what I'm actually going to use is the Aquage spray, hoping to give it just a little bit more hold on the mannequin hair. What's recommended is to take a pretty decent section and do a pin curl, and basically all that is wrapping it around your fingers. And then I'm going to use the Aquage thermal spray, just a little bit of it, just to try and give it a little bit more hold because it's a mannequin head. So I'm just going to roll it just like I would roll a hot roller set, but we're going to do the pin curls and then basically put the clip around the curl. So you roll it around your fingers and then set it by putting the shell, or the thermal shell, what they're called, around that pin curl. Okay, I let this sit for about 15 minutes and I am so disappointed when I take these out. I don't know if I rolled it wrong, or if it's because it's a mannequin head, or maybe I didn't put the clip in properly. I'm just disappointed in the result. What I thought was going to be a great quick way of getting a nice bit of a beach wave turned out to be absolute crap. I didn't like these at all. Now, I looked up other tutorials on this and people have used them and they've turned out great, so maybe I did put the clip in wrong. I think I need to, not give up on these clips 100%, but the first initial look at it is just so disappointing. It didn't give me the result I wanted at all. My impression of these clips so far are really disappointing. I was pretty excited about them when I first got them, but after looking at this, as I said, I'm not going to give up on them completely, but yeah, not good. As far as, the shells are concerned in my book, I just didn't like them. I didn't like the result. I didn't like using them. I'm just not a fan. I don't know if that's, maybe it was the way I rolled the hair, maybe it was a mannequin head, not having enough product in it. I didn't get the result I wanted. So for me, personally, if I'm looking for something, now look, there's people that use these, I've seen them on YouTube and they've turned out fantastic. So being the first time that I've actually used them, I will try them again. I just wasn't a big fan of the result. If this is the first time you've come across one of my videos, just check out some of my other stuff. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. I'd love to get some feedback from you guys. Don't forget to share it with your friends, it'd be much appreciated, and hit that subscribe button, please. It helps me out a bunch. Hit that subscribe button. Wow.